Another beautiful day here in the city of lost wages. Start shutting down all this heat and fans and everything circulating. I know it's loud. Got my coffee. And I got a project. Let's do it.
More respect you gotta earn. Damn right.
Alright, so far so good. Got the slab cut out. Obviously all the routering's done. So now I'm just going to be going in with little pieces of sandpaper and just touching up any kind of uneven spots, stuff like that. And then we're going to determine how we're going to finish it. I don't know if I'm going to antique it, paint it, Lichtenberg fractal, burn it. I don't know yet. So let's finish the sanding and move on to that. Nicely. Clean that little bit of paint off there, but I think that came out pretty good. And yesterday it was 75 degrees here in Vegas. And today, this is the 20th. It's about 55 and raining. But that's okay. I don't mind. All my work is in here anyway. So let's get this finished up, shall we? Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. All day, all the way. Right there, baby. So make sure, comment, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
She's never